Hi everyone. Hey guys. Hey tastemakers. Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. This month I will be posting every day up until Christmas Eve. I'll be posting holiday, Christmas related content, just things that I do that might inspire you just to add touches of Christmas to your home. Preparing appetizers, drinks, decorating, doing a little shopping. I don't have to do a whole lot of grocery shopping this year because I did a lot of shopping in November for Thanksgiving. So that's what I do. I kind of spend a little extra in November so that I can already have food in the house for Christmas. We don't really have big plans. Usually somebody's, a couple people might stop by. So, we'll just, at least have something, as of right now, it's just a few people. Might just stop by, have, a dessert and coffee with us or appetizers and cocktails, so just so you can just be ready for things like that. That's the type of content I'll be creating. Excuse me, it's cold today. I've been in and out today. I've been like in the garage, in the attic, in my decor closet, looking for stuff. I'm tearing down or putting away my fall stuff. So I have to pull that away, get that out the way, so then I can start getting into my Christmas stuff. So I'm going to do it kind of gradually. I don't like to do a whole lot this year. I don't even know if I'm going to do a tree. I've had a big, beautiful tree, Christmas trees. I had it for years and I sold it in our garage sale because I was just not into it anymore. And then a couple years ago, Dollar Tree had those $5 tree, those 4-foot trees. So I got a couple of those. And so I might just do that, just like a little accent, just maybe around the fireplace or something. I'm not sure yet. So, but I'll be bringing you guys along with me, as I pull out decor, decide on a theme, and I'm not buying anything new. It's everything that I already have, and all of my Christmas stuff I got like on clearance. Last year I did a lot. I got a lot at Hobby Lobby, 90% off. I got some cute stuff. So I'm trying to warm up, drink my coffee, and just pulling out my few things. This is what I keep my wreaths in. So this is one of my fall wreaths, and I have one on the door now. So I'm going to take that one off and put it back in here. Over the years, I've had subscribers ask me, how do I store my things? Since today is Wreath Day, either December 1st or around Thanksgiving, I put out my wreath, usually the day after Thanksgiving. So I didn't get around to it. So I'm gonna do it today. So I gotta put that up, and then I don't know if you guys, I did a haul on this several years ago. This is my Christmas wreath bag. Several years ago, I got these wreaths from, what was it? Big Lots. Got some beautiful Christmas stuff there. So I'm trying to decide if I'm going to do, because the last 5 years, I've been putting this out on my door, my front door. I love these. These are pretty. My neighbors like these. So I got 2. So I gotta decide if I'm going to use that. This one I never used. I got 2 of them. I can tell I used this one because the ribbon's kind of fading. So I have to decide. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to do this again or let's see what else. Let me show you what else is in this bag. And this wreath holder. And so then at Dollar Tree, a couple of years ago, after Christmas, their stuff will go down to like half off. So like for 62 cents, like as soon as they, like 2 or 3 years ago, as soon as they went to like $1.25, then after Christmas, they'll go 62 cents. So I got a bunch of these. I think I'll put these on the table for a tablescape. So we got these. Let's sort this out together. Okay, so let's see. So got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I think I saw another one. Oh, I have another one in this other bag here. Okay, so those were 62 cents from Dollar Tree. Same thing with these here. Got all these from clearance. So I'm just going to be using stuff I have. These are nice. If you fluff these out, you'll get a nice, fluff them out like this. They're nice. Cute. 62 cents. I think the last time I put these over our garage lights. So you can just do stuff like that. So I'm just going to keep these 2 out. Probably do it again. So I haven't seen this stuff since last year. So, and I forget how I pack stuff. So stuff like this. Got that on clearance. So let's see how I could do some. Then there's a small one. This one was 62 cents as well. 15-inch. All right, so that's what's in. Then I got some of these. These were on sale too. Half off, 62 cents at Dollar Tree. All right, so I'm gonna clean that out. All right, so we have that. And then I pulled this out. It's all about wreaths today. That's the topic of today. Okay, now I got these probably 2 years ago from, these are nice wreaths, but I don't think I'm going to use it as a wreath. I got these from Hobby Lobby, 90% off. I probably spent $2 or $3 on this. That's cute. I don't think I'm going to, so I'm going to decide if I'm going to use this on my door wreath this year or this one. You guys let me know, which one do you think would be best for a good Christmas wreath? I've used this one for 5 years. And so let me know, what do you think? Which one do you like the best? And which one you think would be a nice accent to our door this year? Just interested. Because I don't do a whole lot of decorating, but I like, at least my entrance to be striking, but simple. And then you come in, I just get a little bit in the front of the house. My tablescapes, I'll do a couple of candles. Okay, and then, oh, here's that other little wreath here. These are cute too. And then at a Hobby Lobby last year, if you guys, I did a video on this, then I have this ski type decor. This was $27.99 with $28. So I spent 28 cents on this. Or $2.80. I'm fresh. Whatever 90% of $28 is, I got. So I got 2 of these. All right, so that's my task today, was just to look through my things and see what do I want to keep out for Christmas, okay? All right, so don't leave me yet. Don't leave me yet. Let's see. I'm going to see what I'm working with. Yeah, I like that one, because I like my wreaths up this high. This one, I could have made it work by doing it like this, but I'll use this for something else, okay? All right. That's what we're going with, 2025. Okay, fam, that's one decision down. So, gotta put my fall one away. My fall wreath. Isn't she pretty? This pumpkin finally fell off. Nothing has fallen off that wreath until today. Okay, so just pack this away. For years I kept these in my decor closet upstairs, but now I just found a spot in the garage. So it's easy because why run all the way upstairs? I use these downstairs. So that, pack away. There's a lot of little dust in here. Throw this away. Just a minute, guys. Shake this off. I think I'm gonna keep 4 of these out for tablescape. I'm not gonna use these every year. You know it's okay to edit, right? You don't have to use every bit of Christmas decor that you have. We don't have to. I'm talking to those of us that like to keep it simple but tasteful. Easy to pull out, easy to put away. That one and that one. So I'm gonna keep 4 of these out. Those. And New Year's Day is when I put away my my wreaths. That. I'm gonna put my and put this one back. Okay, guys, so I want to thank you guys for joining me. I selected my wreath today. And just want to inspire you to, you know, just do a few little things a day if you can. Don't have to. Where's the opening? Oh, right here. Do a couple of things a day, a task a day. You have 24 tasks done by Christmas Eve or more. We don't have little kids, so we don't need a big Christmas tree and all of that stuff. And you don't need it for little kids either. All right, so I'm gonna put this in here. This is those basket bags, because we do gift baskets. I use those a lot too, for those that were asking about how do I store things. Like that. And we can see what we have, what we're working with. Clean up, vacuum this floor, and we are done. All right, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. I would love to have you subscribe to Tanya's Tasteful Table. We do things tastefully for less. I do home entertaining, cooking, gardening, and pantry preparedness. All right, so if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it. And like I said before, if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers tribe. All right, guys, see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, everybody. Bye, Mom. Okay, I'm going to have to vacuum now.